Good evening, Nihits'áá, and welcome to Daybreak Warrior's Navajo Word of the Day. Now, earlier today, the electricity went off on this part of the reservation, so I figured it's only fitting that the word of the day be nitsíkeesí, which means the electricity went out. Nitsíkeesí. Now, it probably doesn't happen a lot off the reservation, but it does happen here, especially if it's raining, if it's windy, if it's snowing. Sometimes those things can knock out the electricity. Now, when it happens, internet goes down, cell towers go down. It's not fun. Regardless, that's today's Navajo word of the day, nitsíkeesí. So to use it in a sentence, you would say, Nihits'áá nitsíkeesí. Ako Béésh nitsíkeesí ádzaago hidiiyá, which means the electricity went out, so the internet went down. And that's today's Navajo word of the day, nitsíkeesí.